trade the volatility index, which is the volatility 75 index, to see how I can survive. This is my real account. There's nothing in here. Nothing. Zero, zero, nil. Demo account, you can see this is the amount that I have. So let's try to deposit on the Thrive SVG or the MT5 account that I have and test our beginner's luck. But anyway, it's just speculation. It's not actually beginner's luck. But yeah, so you can see that I have 0, no funds in this account, never deposited any money. So this is the first time. Let's deposit, use our deposit options that we have here. For me, I prefer credit card, which is the debit card. So we're going to click on it and then put on our details. All right. So freezing it so that I don't show my details. And then depositing 10. Yeah, I think 10 is better. Okay. So we continue. And then our deposit, we need to authorize it so that it can be successful. And then right now, let's go to log in and see how we can manage. All right, so let's wait for, okay, let's transfer our money so that we can be able to, and then log in, trade, place some trades, and go full margin. I didn't look at the margin call, but yeah. And because margin call, the stop out level, let's just try to log in, use the website, and then put our password. Yes. Okay. And then let's log in and look at our charts first. And then from there, do a bit of analysis, and then we trade, which is the volatility 75 index. Volatility index 7, just 75. This one is very, 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 very dangerous when it comes to trading it. I've seen people crying. So let's change our time frame, which is we need to go to lower time frame first, and then after that we go to higher time frame to see where are we standing with our direction. Our direction here is still a sell, a strong one. So we need to act, and when we act, we need to make sure that we go full margin. I'm not sure where I'm going to stop out fast because the movements here, I've seen like it's kind of, when they are moving a bit, they are kind of taking a lot from looking at other people's trades. Yeah, so let's place some few trades and see how we want to survive. Okay, so let's sell. Let's put our sell. Okay, and then we're gonna wait for a few minutes and see 0.062. The leverage is 1:1,000. Okay, let's go full margin. I know that this is dangerous, but I don't recommend you to try it at home. Please stay away from going full margin. It's very dangerous, not worth it. Stay away from going full margin. See right now, our margin is crying. Okay, it is crying because we're going full, and one way or the other, we're gonna make profit from what I've seen here. Okay, now you have to do the analysis very well. So let's just add trades, see if we are full. Almost. Let's add. Okay. We are profiting right now. Okay, just a small movement. Free margin is only 0.13. So this is dangerous. You see the margin level is moving like 100 right now. So let's wait a few minutes. Trying to log in. Let's just see what we're gonna expect. Yeah, but our direction is still correct anyway. But we have lost, but we're still in our profit. But we have lost because of the ouch. We have lost. Okay. because of the stop out level. If stop us out, but we're still good to sell. Oh yes, guys, sometimes it's scary. Shit. Oh guys, margin killed me. Dang. Margin killed me. Going full margin is not the best option. Yeah. So I was right. Moved down, but the margin killed me. What had really happened? Because I was